Hello Cancerians, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to read for you for the month of July. June is already there on my channel, so you can actually visit my channel and see your predictions for the month of June, and after that you can see July also and see what are the vibes what you're getting in the month of July, and let's see what's happening. So we're going to start with your theme of the month card, and what is the theme which is ruling you in the month of July is precious time. uh, it says that time is running. So whatever you want to experiment in your life, whatever you want to do in life, better you focus on that rather than wasting your time on others, or maybe wasting giving your free advice to people who don't even want that. So do not waste your words on people who do not value that, one, and second, who do not want your advice, and then you're still wasting your time on them. So the time what you have is precious for you. Use it for your betterment, use it for your goodness, and then use it for your better life and then better decisions of life. Okay, so save your time for yourself, save value your time for yourself, and don't waste your time on others who don't value your time. So your time is very very precious, guys, so don't waste it, right? Okay, so moving next, we have the first week here and the cards are beautiful, I must say that. Then we have the second week, which is a mixed kind of a reaction, I will say, from the cards, and the third week is here with some mixed energies, and here we have the fourth week. Okay, so no matter what cards are, what the first, second, third week you have in terms of cards, but in terms of tarot and predictions, the kind of cards you have, but I think you're going to be a winner by end of the month. So let's start with the first week of you and for you. The first week talks about some project on which you are working on. You're working on something in back of your mind. You're working on something very, very aggressively, and now is the time that you will feel that you would want to execute your plans, and then you want to take that first step, which will be in line with your expectations in life, and which will be in line with your future demand. So maybe you want to start a business which you think is a long term kind of an assignment, and you can do pretty well in that. So that's something I certainly see here, that you are going to start something new in the month of July, and there is a planning what you're doing around that. So you will not even plan something, maybe the planning has already started in June, and then the first week of July will talk about some execution of plans. So execution of plans is happening here, and it's a very strong energy. So I think you're going to start your own business, or maybe if you've been seeing someone, you've been liking someone for a very long time, you might go ahead and propose that person and then see what will be the outcomes. But I will say one more thing, that I think um, your expectations are something which are a little maybe sad. And why do I really say sad? Because I think you are more focused on uh, something which does not exist. Have you seen that card in tarot where I always see you? This is from the another deck what I'm using, but then the Rider Waite has another picture of it, which I would like to recall. There's a lot of cups in front of you, and every cup has got some very beneficial things and very beautiful things, and you get confused out of it, that as to what exactly you should pick up, what exactly should be your motive, what exactly should be the most lucrative and long term kind of a thing. So maybe during this planning, during this execution, the kind of expectations you have out of that business or maybe a relationship are very very high. You think that you will touch sky in a month's time, or maybe in a week's time with that business, but then trust me, it takes time to let things happening, let things move in the right direction. That's something that's another important thing also for this business, or maybe it's a relationship. You will have to travel. You're traveling to either different city, either to a different place, or if you are in a sad relationship, or a relationship wherein you are not doing well, you're confused, the partner has been showing off something else, but then the actual self of him is completely different than the picture which was shown to you, then I think the time has come that you take a decision about this person and make a move. That's one. Second thing could be that maybe the relationship was not going well between you and your partner, which is a committed relationship. then in that scenario your relationship will have some movement. When I say movement, it can be positive also, it can be negative also, but then finally when there was stagnancy, when there was monotony all over your relationship, or maybe the business area where you were working on, you will have some movement. There's something which is a progress happening. So progression is something which is ruling your second week. There's changes happening, there are changes happening in here. Okay. Also, this person who's been planning in the first week has already executed his plans, and then he's getting disturbed or maybe confused with so many options coming his way. Maybe a lot of people are trying to influence his opinion, or influence him, or maybe manipulate him with his decisions. This person is finally making a move. He's making some movement in the second week, despite of whatever is happening. And in the third week, when he moves in the third week, there are I would say there's someone who's at a leadership position, maybe someone at a higher level is trying to be a leader for this person. So there's a person who's involved in your life, uh, who's someone who's has got very good leadership skills. So maybe if you are in a job, and maybe if you are in a job, or you are in a relationship, there to guide you, to help you, you find your mentor. So this mentor will not only help you in your personal relationships. If it is a personal relationship related issue, he will also help you with your work related areas. That's something happen. And creativity is certainly ruling your cards in the third week. So no matter if the second week was giving you some confusion, maybe you were confused or things were not happening the way you wanted them to happen, the third week certainly says that you will have that skill, you will have that magic wand in your hand, wherein you will be able to take the right kind of a decisions in life. That's certainly happening here. Okay. Movement is anyways there. So it could be a physical movement, it can be a movement in your situation, so progression in your situation, that's certainly happening. The last week of your cards is something which talks about a lot of new projects, creativity. It talks about some new business idea, maybe the existing plan, what you are doing. Is something where you will involve or introduce something new altogether. So along with what you are already doing, you will introduce something new also in the picture. That's one. No matter, and the another thing which I would like to mention here is that the path for you will not be that easy. Okay, here the path will be difficult, and you will have opposition coming from a lot of people for you for this business idea, or maybe what you want to implement in the last week. But there the positivity is, or the plus point is, that you are at the you are on the hilltop right now. So whosoever is trying to pull you down, they won't be able to do it, because you can see all their movements from where you are standing right now. So you are not going to be dominated by anyone. You will not be no one will be able to dominate you here. That's a positivity of your cards. And I would like to see the further things which are happening here. So okay, I think financially, if you take this decision, this is going to be in your favor. Angels will bless you with this idea. There'll be an idea, so your business idea will be blessed by the angels. That's certainly happening. Your work is a partnership related work, so you are doing it in partnership with someone. So you have a partner here, and the partnership is also very blessed. So I don't see any problems happening here in the partnership. So it's a amicable kind of a thing which is happening. Ups and downs will be there. Certainly, every business has those things, but then I think your business idea will prosper. And the cards for you are very very positive. So financially, I don't think there'll be any issues with this business idea. Overall, if I look at the energies of your cards are very good. It's just that mid of the month looks like a little dicey, wherein someone is trying to create illusion in your mind, or maybe you are getting drawn towards illusions. That's something downside of it. The people who are in a relationship, seeking relationship right now, or they are starting a business right now, you will have to travel, you'll have to move. There's a movement, maybe a city movement. A lot of you will face that. It is not for everyone, but then yeah, a lot of you will face that. Also, be aware of people who try to be showcasing something else, and the actual self of them is something else. So with your partners also, if you're seeking a relationship, be very careful. Do a proper complete background check of the person, and then move ahead. There are decisions you are taking in the month of July, a few of you, which will not go well, very well. Uh, it could be relationship related issue, because the cups rule your relationship card, and after that you might fall into a arranged marriage kind of a thing. So you will not want to get married by the choice of your own. That's something certainly happening here. If you're seeking commitment in the relationship, that is also coming your way in the month of July. So a lot of troubles are you're getting away with in the month of July. And let's see what is the relationship card says for you. Things are about to get really juicy for you. So if the relationship is not going well, it is going to be a good time that you get into a relationship, and the relationships where you are right now will have a very nice outcome, and then you'll have some spark in the relationship if it was not there already. Your universe card, let's see how does it really talk to the card, which is your love and relationship card. It says I'm the loving energy of the universe. So you believe in universe, and you are believing in the loving energy of universe. So that's also happening here, guys. That is a wonderful energy, I would say. And here we are with another card. It says God has expressed your divine feminine energy, embracing its magical intuition and nurturing qualities. Um, your intuition is very strong, Cancerian, right now. The month of July, whatever you will think from your heart, whatever message which will come from your heart is something which is a genuine message which is coming to you from your angels. During the month of July, I will suggest you that if you get intimations from your angels in terms of numbers, like maybe 000, 111, 222, 112, or maybe 1010, 2020, kind of these are the signals your angels send you. If that point in time you're facing some kind of a problem, then ask your angels to help you, because this time of the year will be a time wherein you will be very well connected with your those magical intuition powers of yours. So whatever you will ask for, whatever you desire for, that will turn out to be true here. So let's see. And the month is pretty good for you. I don't see any negative cards here. That's a positivity of this reading, that there is no negative happening in the month of July. I don't see things getting. The only thing which is problematic here is that the illusion creation thing, and one of the relationship which is not working for a few of you, and then you finally decide to give up on that relationship, and then you move into an arranged affair. That's something which I will suggest here. Otherwise, cards are good. There's no problem I see in your reading this time. Financially, it is nice. Business ideas are ruling your mind in the month of July. You might start also something new in a partnership. It is not a single-handed kind of a thing. Single ownership is not there. It is a partnership kind of a thing which is happening. So take care of yourself, take care of your family. Reach me on 91, which is my country code, and the number will be 8448901791. So the number is 91 844890171. Email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com also. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.